So the capital redemption reserve, that is the reserve created in order for what purpose? In order to freeze that much amount of profit. Otherwise, the existing shareholder will be asking for distribution of that much amount as dividend in future. So in order to not to ask such thing, this purpose is to be maintained. That means buying back of shares is to be maintained. So that is the case with the capital redemption reserve. In such a case, the capital redemption reserve account can be used for issuing fully paid bonus shares in the future. So in such a case, the entry is P&L account debtor or reserve debtor or securities premium account debtor to which one? Capital redemption reserve. So out of the fund generated, this is to be utilized first and then there is buyback of share. അതാണ് ഇതിനകത്ത് ഓർക്കേണ്ടത്. So ഇതാണ് out of the free reserve, when this accumulated out of the free reserve, this buyback is to be done. In such a case, this is the entry P&L account debtor or reserve account debtor or a securities premium account debtor to capital redemption reserve account. So this is the entry for such a purpose. So we already see the problem with regard to that. We already see the problem with regard to this one. On 31st March 2018, B Limited has an issued equity share capital of rupees 10 lakh in shares of 10 each fully paid. It has resolved to buy back 20% of the shares at their face value. The company has 1,20,000 in its profit and loss account, 60,000 in its securities premium account, and 90,000 in the general reserve. Give journal entries on buyback of shares. Means here, 31st March issued equity share capital of rupees 10 lakh in shares of 10 each. So 10 lakh, 10 each. So how much is the number of shares? 1 lakh. So 1 lakh shares, that is the total number of shares. It has resolved to buy back 20% of the shares at their face value. So 10 lakh in the 20%. How much it is? 2 lakh. Correct? So this 2 lakh, that is to be utilized for which one? Buyback of shares. അതാണ് ഇവിടെ ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്നത്. So 10 lakh in the 20% എടുക്കുക, that is the 2 lakh. That 2 lakh, it is to be distributed among 1,20,000 from the profit and loss account, 60,000 from the securities premium account, and 90,000 from the general reserve. So that is the first case. So here we need to utilize this money for buyback. So firstly, we are doing this entry and then we need to go for buyback of shares. അപ്പോൾ അതിന്റെ എങ്ങനെയാണ് എന്നുള്ളത് നമുക്ക് നോക്കാം. So I will share the through WhatsApp the screen with regard to this thing. So firstly, so here, first entry is what? Profit and loss account debtor. How much is the amount? From the profit and loss account, 1,20,000 is to be taken care. Then next they are telling securities premium, we need to utilize that. How much is the amount? 60,000. Then balance general reserve, we need to utilize. Total is how much? 10 lakh is the total value of the share. 10 is the 1 per share. അപ്പം 10 ലക്ഷത്തിന്റെ 10 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ 1 ലക്ഷം. ഓക്കെ, ഈ 1 ലക്ഷത്തിന്റെ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഈ 10 ലാഖിന്റെ 20% ആണ് ബൈബാക്ക് പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നത്. 10 lakh into 20%, it is 2 lakh. So the buyback amount is how much? 2 lakh. Buyback amount is 2 lakh. Buyback amount is how much? 2 lakh. So this 2 lakh, out of that, how it is to be distributed? Out of the 2 lakh, 1,20,000 we need to take it from P&L account. Out of the 2 lakh, 60,000 we need to take it from that also. From where? Securities premium. So it is 80. And balance is how much? 20. 1,20,000, 160. So 1,80,000. Balance to take the 2 lakh. How much it is the shortage? 20,000. That 20,000 we need to take it from where? That 20,000 we need to take it from general reserve. So general reserve account debtor 20,000 to CRR, capital redemption reserve account. How much it is? 2 lakh. So this is the first entry with regard to out of the free reserve. If this is to be taken in case of a free reserve, then this is the entry. Then after that, what is the entry? Equity share capital account debtor. Equity share capital account debtor to equity shareholders account. Equity share capital account debtor to equity shareholders account, where how it is to be? Same 2 lakh, because ഇതാണ് 20% ഇതില് എന്ത് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? ബൈബാക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. സോ 2 lakhന്റെ 10 lakhന്റെ 20%, 2 lakh, the same we are taking the money from where we need, because the existing shareholders need to get the money. That is the original case, means restructuring of the capital. That is the buyback of share. So ഈ പൈസ, ഈ 2 ലക്ഷം എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് എവിടുന്ന് എടുക്കുന്നത്? That is one from the P&L account, another from the securities premium account, and another from the general reserve. Altogether that 2 lakhs, this 2 lakhs that is to be given to the equity shareholders through equity share capital. അപ്പോൾ അതിനാണ് ഈ എൻട്രി equity share capital account debtor 2 lakhs to equity shareholders account, same 2 lakhs. Then now the money is where? Through in the equity shareholders. Then their account need to get it. So in that case, equity shareholders account debtor to bank, same 2 lakh. So this is the entry out of the free reserve. So once again I am telling you this free reserve, how this is to be. Free reserve in the sense means accumulated profit. കൂട്ടി വെച്ചിരിക്കുന്ന പ്രോഫിറ്റിൽ നിന്ന് അതിന്റെ യൂട്ടിലൈസ് ചെയ്യുന്നു. സോ അങ്ങനെ കൂട്ടി വെച്ചിരിക്കുന്ന പ്രോഫിറ്റിന്റെ ഇതാണ് അങ്ങനെ കൂട്ടി വെച്ചിരിക്കുന്ന പ്രോഫിറ്റിന്റെ ഇതാണ് P&L account debtor, securities premium account debtor, general reserve account debtor. All the things we are taking care and transferred to the capital redemption reserve, and the same amount it is utilized for which one? Equity share capital for the buyback of shares. So that is equity share capital account debtor to equity shareholders account, and then equity shareholders account debtor to bank. So this is the case with regard to which one? Out of the free reserve. Then we see buyback at a premium out of the free reserve. How this is to be? Buyback of a premium out of the free reserve. അതായത് നമ്മൾ നേരത്തെ കണ്ടത് എന്തായിരുന്നു? ഔട്ട് ഓഫ് അറ്റ് പാർ. നെക്സ്റ്റ് കേസ് ഫ്രീ റിസർവ്. ദെൻ വിത്ത് ദ ഫ്രീ റിസർവ് വി ആർ ഡൂയിങ് ത്രൂ ഇഷ്യൂ ഓഫ് ഷെയർസ് അറ്റ് എ പ്രീമിയം. ഇഷ്യൂ ഓഫ് ഷെയർസ് അറ്റ് എ പ്രീമിയം. അതാണ് ഓർക്കേണ്ടത്. So buyback at a premium out of the free reserve. When the shares are redeemed at a premium, the premium portion is made available out of the free reserve. So First case, we see what? We see out of the fresh issue how a buyback is to be done. Second case is what? Par, a fresh issue, but at par only. Par in the sense means face value, that you are aware. Okay. Then in this case, in the previous case, second one, out of the free reserve. Then the third case is buyback at a premium out of the free reserve. First case at par and also the fresh issue of shares. Second case is buyback at par but out of the free reserve. Free reserve in the sense means accumulated profits we are using. Third case is buyback not at par but at a premium, means an amount extra more than that, and that is to be utilized from where? Out of the free reserve. So both the cases are there, means accumulated profits are also utilized, and then which one is also there? At premium it is to be issued. So what is that? We will look into. When shares are redeemed at a premium, the premium portion is made available out of the free reserves. For such purpose, free reserves include existing securities premium also. So നിലവിലുള്ള securities premium also should be utilized. Then an amount equal to the face value of the shares should be transferred from free reserves or the securities premium to an account called capital redemption reserve. So an amount equal to the face value, amount equal to the face value of the shares from the where? From the free reserves or securities premium. Either from the securities premium or the free reserves, it can be transferred to capital redemption reserve. For such cases, entries are for providing a fund for the premium payable, profit and loss account or reserves account or securities premium account to premium payable on buyback. So P and L, or which one? Reserve, either any one, okay, or securities premium account debtor to where? Premium payable on buyback. Premium payable on buyback. Then now the premium payable, because if 10 is the face value and 2 is the premium, 12 is the total amount. That 2 belongs to this part. That 2 area means rupees 2. 10 രൂപ ഫേസ് വാല്യൂ 2 രൂപ പ്രീമിയം ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ 1 ലക്ഷം ഷെയർ ആണെങ്കിൽ എത്രയാണ്? 10, 1 ലക്ഷം ഇൻറ്റു 10, 10 ലക്ഷം അതിന്റെ ഫേസ് വാല്യൂവും 2 എന്നുള്ളത് 2 lakhs അതിന്റെ പ്രീമിയവുമാണ്. ആ 2 lakhs ആണ് ഇവിടെ വരുന്നത് ഈ കേസിൽ. മീൻസ് P and L account debtor or reserve account debtor or securities premium account debtor to premium payable on buyback, and that premium payable on buyback to be transferred to shareholders account. So premium payable on buyback account debtor to shareholders account. Okay. And the third case is, we already did this one, P and L account debtor or P and L account or general reserve or securities premium debtor to capital redemption reserve. Capital redemption reserve. Then and finally, instead of these two entries, maybe this entry is to be debited, because we are avoiding this thing, premium payable on buyback to be avoided. Then P and L account debtor or general reserve account debtor or securities premium account debtor to shareholders account. ഒറ്റ എൻട്രിയിലെ കാര്യം കഴിയുന്നത്. Okay. So that is the case with regard to out of the free reserve, the premium is to be paid. Out of the free reserve, the premium is to be paid. So we will do one problem for that. So on 31st March 2018, X Limited has an issued equity share capital of rupees 10 lakh of rupees 10 each. So 10 ലക്ഷം 10 രൂപ. So 1 lakh is the total number of shares. It has resolved to buy back 20,000 shares at rupees 15 per share. 15 രൂപ വെച്ച് 20,000 ഷെയർ 15 രൂപ വെച്ച് ആണ്. നേരത്തെ 10 രൂപയായിരുന്നു. അപ്പൊ 5 രൂപ പ്രീമിയം. 5 rupees is the premium amount. Company has a securities premium account balance of 1,10,000. So securities premium is 1,10,000 is there. Then general reserve of 4 lakh is there. General reserve of 4 lakh is there. So give journal entries on the buyback of share. So how this is to be taken care? We will look into that. These are the entries. First of all, എന്തായിരുന്നു? Profit and loss account or reserves or securities premium account debtor to premium payable on the buyback account. Then second case is premium payable on the buyback account debtor to shareholders account. And the third case is out of the reserves, this is to be maintained. So P&L or general reserve or securities premium to capital redemption reserve account. So this is the case maybe. So we will look into that, how it is to be done. See, first of all, what is the entry? Securities premium, because here, in this case, what all details are there? Firstly, 10 lakh, 10. So it is 1 lakh. That is the number of shares. Then resolved to buy back 20,000 shares at a 15 per share. So 20,000 ഷെയർ 1 ലക്ഷത്തില് ഈ 1 ലക്ഷത്തിൽ 20,000 ഷെയർ at the rate of 15 per share കൊടുക്കും എന്നാണ് പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നത്. ബൈബാക്ക് ചെയ്യും. അതിനു വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് സെക്യൂരിറ്റീസ് പ്രീമിയവും ജനറൽ റിസർവും യൂട്ടിലൈസ് ചെയ്യും. അതായത് ജനറൽ റിസർവിന്റെ ഇപ്പോഴത്തെ ബാലൻസ് 4 ലാക്ക്, സെക്യൂരിറ്റീസ് പ്രീമിയത്തിന്റെ ബാലൻസ് എത്രയാണ്? 1,10,000. 1,10,000. So $1,10,000. So for that purpose, we need to pass these entries. So how much is this one? Securities premium account debtor to premium payable on where? Premium payable on buyback amount. How much is the amount? That is the 1 lakh. So number of shares is how much? 1 lakh share. So that is the thing to be taken care. Then after that, how it is to be? Equity share capital account debtor. Equity share capital account debtor. എത്രയാണ്? So എങ്ങനെയാണ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? 20,000 15 വെച്ച് 10 ആയിരുന്നു ഒറിജിനൽ വാല്യൂ, 10 plus 5. So this 2 lakh into 10, this not 2 lakh, this 20,000 into 10 and this 20,000 into 5. So equity share capital with the face value, that is 20,000 into 10. How much it is the amount? 2 lakh. Okay. So 2 lakh in 20,000 into 10, that is 2 lakh. Then this premium payable on buyback account എത്രയാണ്? 1 lakh to equity shareholders account. To equity or to shareholders account എത്രയാണ്? 3 lakh. Clear? So this 5, this is the premium part. Okay. This is 20,000 into 5. It is 1 lakh. Correct or no? This is the one. 20,000. That is the number of shares on buyback with a price of 5 rupee per share as premium. 10 original value, 5 രൂപ പ്രീമിയത്തിലും കൂടെ. അപ്പം ആ പ്രീമിയത്തിന്റെ എമൗണ്ട് ആണ് ഇവിടെ എഴുതേണ്ടത്. 20,000 into 5, that is 1 lakh. This is 20,000 into 10, 2 lakh. The same 20,000 into 5, this is to be there, 3 lakh. Clear? So 2 lakh plus 1 lakh, 3 lakh. This is the, which one? This is the second case. Let. അതായത് സെക്യൂരിറ്റീസ് പ്രീമിയത്തിന്റെ എമൗണ്ടിൽ നിന്ന് ആണ് പ്രീമിയം പേയബിൾ ഓൺ ബൈബാക്ക് എടുക്കുന്നത്. 1 ലക്ഷം എടുത്തു. ഇനി അതിനെ എന്ത് ചെയ്യുന്നു? ഇക്വിറ്റി ഷെയർ ക്യാപിറ്റൽ അക്കൗണ്ട് ഡെറ്റ് 2 lakh. എങ്ങനെ കിട്ടി? 20,000 ഷെയർസ് ഇൻറ്റു ₹10 each. ആൻഡ് ദെൻ പ്രീമിയം പേയബിൾ ഓൺ ബൈബാക്ക് അക്കൗണ്ട്, ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് 20,000 ഇൻറ്റു 5. Clear? 20,000 into 5. So total 2 lakh plus 1 lakh, 3 lakh. Then next part, then this amount to be payback to where? Equity shareholders account debtor. ഇപ്പൊ എവിടെയാണ് കിടക്കുന്നത്? Shareholders account. So shareholders account debtor to bank എത്രയാണ്? Total 3 lakh. Then shareholders account debtor total 3 lakh. പിന്നെ ഇവിടെ എന്തായിരുന്നു പറഞ്ഞേ? 1,10,000 സെക്യൂരിറ്റീസ് പ്രീമിയം, അതിൽ 1 lakh എടുത്തു. ഇനി ജനറൽ റിസർവില് 4 ലക്ഷം ഉണ്ട് ഇല്ലേ? ആ ജനറൽ റിസർവില് 4 ലക്ഷത്തിൽ നിന്ന് എടുക്കണം ബാക്കിയുള്ള എമൗണ്ട്. ഓക്കെ, സോ ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ദ കേസ് ഹിയർ. ജനറൽ റിസർവ് അക്കൗണ്ട് ഡെറ്റർ ടു CRR, ക്യാപിറ്റൽ റിഡംഷൻ റിസർവ് അക്കൗണ്ട്, എത്രയാണ് എടുക്കേണ്ടത്? 2 lakh. 2 lakh. Okay, so this is the case maybe. So premium payable on buyback can be funded from revenue reserve or existing securities premium account. ഒന്നെങ്കിൽ revenue reserve, നമ്മൾ ഇവിടെ securities premium ആണ് കിടക്കുന്നത്, അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് 20,000 into 5 എവിടെ നിന്ന് എടുത്തത്? 1,10,000 എന്നുള്ള securities premiumത്തിൽ നിന്ന് 1 lakh എടുത്തു, ബാക്കി 4 lakh നിന്ന് 2 lakh എടുത്തു. Clear? So this is the case with regard to which one? Out of free reserves. So today we discussed with what all things? The last portion previously we did some problems also before 2 weeks. That is out of the fresh issue, how a buyback is to be done. Then out of the fresh issue in the sense means at a par only. Then out of the free reserves, how a buyback is to be done. For that purpose, CRR, capital redemption reserve account, need to be maintained. And then the third one is what? Out of the free reserves, but buyback yourself on a premium amount. So one more problem, we will look into it tomorrow. Thank you.